Deputy Commissioner of Police Selvin Hay set to replace Robin Sykes as FID boss.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Robin Sykes, the man who led investigations into allegations of corruption at the Ministry of Education and the Caribbean Maritime University, resulting in the arrest and charge of former Education Minister Ruel Reid, President of the Caribbean Maritime University Dr. Fritz Pinnock, Reid's wife Sharon, his daughter Sharel, and Jamaica Labour Party councillor for the Brownstone Division in St. Anne, Kim Brown Lawrence, will no longer be the head of the FID come the end of December. The Minister of Finance and Public Service has announced the departure of Sykes as Chief Technical Director of the Financial Investigations Division, effective December 31st, 2019. Sykes has indicated that he will be taking up a position at the International Monetary Fund, IMF. He has held the position of Chief Technical Director since November of 2014, making him the longest-serving Chief Technical Director in the division's history. During his tenure, the division achieved several noteworthy accomplishments, including the introduction of the GoAML reporting electronic platform for entities obliged to make reports to the FID under the Proceeds of Crimes Act, the coordination of legislative reforms to strengthen Jamaica's anti-money laundering framework, and the collaboration with both domestic and international partners on several significant investigations and asset recovery matters. Sykes will be succeeded by Deputy Commissioner of Police Selvin Hay. Hay has been with the Jamaica Constabulary Force for over 30 years and has particular experience in anti-corruption and major criminal investigations issues. He has held the position of Deputy Director General at the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency MOCA, as well as Inspector General of the Professional Standards Oversight Bureau of the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.